Hello friends, welcome to bestteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add a website to the Google Analytics tools. It's very easy, just follow the simple process and you can add your website in Google Analytics tools. After opening this analytics.google.com, just click on admin. This is the admin, just click on admin. After clicking the admin, this page will come and click on create new account. And just set the account name. You can type it the website name also. I just type the website name. And after that just click on next. And I want to use it in website, so just select website and you can select the apps and web both also. In my cases it's only website, so click on next. Just type here website name. This is my website name, and just type here the URL and select HTTP or HTTPS. If your website is secured, then select HTTPS, otherwise you can select the HTTP only. You can select the industry also. If you don't know which industry is this, you can leave this. In my case it's healthcare, and you can select the time zone also. After that just click on create. And here click on I accept, and after that again I accept and click on I agree. So you can see this, it's successfully created. Now you can use this tracking code to know how much traffic are getting in your website. So thanks for watching this video. Again I will come up with a new video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.